Hello everyone, today I cook barbecue chicken. This one chicken I make marinate, soy sauce, and 2 spoon of tomato paste, and black pepper, salt, 1 teaspoon of salt, and paprika, and garam masala, and then mix masala. So I put here in the air fryer. This one I make marinate 1 hour. I make marinate this one 1 hour, 2 hours. And then I put also ginger powder. This one 4 pieces, legs only. So now I put oil. I put in the oil. So I put in the air fryer. I put in the air fryer. I put in the air fryer, open 170 degree only. Open degree 180 or 170 degree, and then 20 minutes only. Okay guys, naluto na po ito. Balik ta rin guys. So this one, the water I make brush for the chicken and become yummy. And cooking. Thank you for watching. Hello everyone, and good afternoon. Ito magluluto ako ng oven na manok. Yan, nilagyan ko na ng spices. Ito po ang nilagay ko ganyan dito. So kompleto na kasi ito ng mga spices. May garlic, may lemon, saka basta kompleto na ito. Bibili kayo ng ganito guys. Masarap pala kasi kompleto na ng mga ingredient. Guys, ito nilagay ko sa supot. Ito kasi kasama na itong supot. Tapos yan, i-marinate ko ng 15 minutes or 10 minutes. So ito yung tubig na nilagay ko. So ibuhos ko dito. Ito na, hanggang cooking. Hanggang cooking. Yan. Little brown.